Yeah. And increasing more of the divine paths in your life is how you are rising beyond all strife that you have seen in the lower dimensions. Immediately back into the higher dimensions is how you reach ascension. The process of activation more of your DNA, in which you are open to receiving the internal changes going on inside of you to rise you into a mode of connection, communications that are in your risen energies, in the magnitude and glory that is in symphony, in the inner harmony that you exist with is sacred, a special reality of transformation, seeing you on your life missions is an evolved nature of reality changes, rearranging your life around to be a galactic citizen where you are existing in peace. Yeah. Purity that you see more is in your open nature. Nature brings purity that you see more is in your open nature. Nature brings purity that you see more is in your open nature. Nature brings, yeah. You see into the deep entrance of your higher self, the self that you are feeling as you are awakened more in your light paths, in which a golden opportunity is now in your existence. To see this more clearly is to have assistance from who I am as your split commandership of naturally navigating with the essence that then exists in the core of your home world as the galactic ones, as the star beings, the cosmic glory that is inside of you springs into reality. Purity that you see more is in your open nature. Nature brings purity that you see more is in your open nature. Nature brings purity that you see more is in your open nature. Nature brings purity that you see more is in your open nature. Nature brings, yeah. Nature brings you into natural harmonization inwards as you connect more with your heart chakra, deeper stages of activation. Yeah. Those of you out there supporting peaceful reality, I love you cosmically. Cosmic unity, here we go. It's 2014. Yeah. Yeah.